Yay! He peed and he pooped on the mat. So we're very glad that he just did it. You know, we were here yesterday. We packed out and said, "Oh yeah, here's the mat." So the mat stinks. So we wanted to get rid of it, and instead of putting it on the dock, we just put it in the gangway. He immediately just peed on it, so that was really cool. He's now peeing and pooping for like 6 months on the dock, and yes, this was a great opportunity because we went to another marina. People don't know you, so to put a mat on the dock and let the dog poo and pee on the mat, it's just, it looks a bit odd, you know, like in our marina, everybody knows what we're planning on going to do. They know where it's for, but still you be embarrassed when somebody walks by and see a dog pooing on a mat just in the marina. So there's one guy busy, and it's not a very easy job to do. So actually we need to be on this place, on this spot, because we don't get lifted out of the water, but we need this crane. And this boat needs to be craned out. So actually we need to swap, but the owner of this boat is not there yet. So it's an exciting day. Luckily it's dry. Yesterday was a lot of wind and rain, but today it's great. Hello.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Cleaning the zalings and the mast with my gloves. When the rigger came, the first thing he tried was to loosen all the connections, but these have been on the boat for 19 years and they've probably never been loosened before, so yeah, it was a big hassle to get them all off, and maybe there's some extra work needed for the rigging, but yeah, you always have these things coming on when you do a boat job. A boat job, you start small and then you end big. So yeah, now it's here, and I'm going to clean the mast. I'm going to change that deck light, this one, for an LED version. And also the tricolor up there, I'll change it for a new one, also LED. And I'm going to change the VHF cable. We looked at it and it's better to replace it now, so we'll do it as well. Thursday, in 2 days, the rigger will be back with the new rigging, and we'll put the mast back on, and then she's ready to sail again. That looks shiny. So we finally get to put back the kiwi prop. When we got the boat, one of these was knocked off. So we brought it in for a complete overhaul. And yeah, basically what they did is they upgraded these from M6 to M8 metric, and then yeah, they just put new internals in, so a new spring and new seals and new grease. So it's basically back into operation again. So we didn't put it on because the boat was in the water, and now we got here for the mast. The mast is taken off, so we take the advantage of also getting off the prop and put this one on.
At our first test sail with the new rigging, we found out that the Genoa wouldn't come out and Vincent needed to get some force on it, which caused some problems.
There she is right now, as you can see. So I don't have to look up, just look on the screen if everything's okay. Die voorstag staat open.
Waar die uit die aanhechting komt, dus dat eerste stuk is gewoon solid staal. Daarna komt ook de verdraaiing en het is net alsof die verdraaiing teruggedraaid is een stuk. Dus dat het bijna rechte streepjes zijn.
Oeh, dat is echt niet goed.
Oh.
Harley.
Okay guys, as you have seen, the forestay is damaged and we have to replace it with a new one. We're going to do it ourselves with some help of our neighbor. He's an experienced sailor and he's done all kinds of repairs on the way. First, I'm going to take down the Genoa, and when that's happened, I'm going to put this inner forestay up there to the where the anchor is coming out, and then I'm going to use a halyard to secure it even more, and then I'm going up with a halyard and a secured halyard to take it down. When everything is secured, I'm going to loosen all the stays and just write down how much you've turned them, so you will know how to put them back. So backstays and shrouds, and then hopefully there's enough play on the forestay so I can remove it here, and then the tension is off, and then I can remove it on top, and then we're going to lower it onto the dock. But first, to do that is we have to turn the boat to get the bow up to the dock, and yeah, let's get started. Hey Harley, what do you think? Let's get to work. Let's get to work. I've now secured the inner forestay to the anchor, that thing there, the metal. We'll do a subtitle just for you. Okay guys, so what did I do to make the forestay loose enough to get it off? I've loosened all the stays up to a point where they are still safe in the thread here. Only the back stays are a bit short, so but the mast will stay up without back stays anyway. So so now it's loose enough so we can get that one out, and I'll wait with that until the neighbor arrives and he can help us with that. I'm going up the mast in a few minutes. I'm going to get the safety pin out on top, the toggle out, and then we can lower down the stay together with the furler, and we will use the halyard that is already there. I've attached it to the top, and there with a line to the drum up, so it's hanging on the bearing at the top, so we can lower it easily. I hope it's fine, and the new forestay is to the good length, otherwise we are screwed. Hey guys, it's Corona time here in the Netherlands. Everybody's having a hard time, but we are the lucky ones having to be quarantined in the marina. Only permanent residents are allowed now. All the toilets and showers are locked, and we cannot enter them again until further notice. So we have a shower on board, so that's no problem. We have a toilet on board, that's also no problem. If we have enough water, we can survive. We have food, we have each other. So only thing is, we cannot see our loved ones. Kim's parents, her father is operated. He had surgery 2.5 weeks ago, and it was bladder cancer. I don't know if you call it like that, but cancer in the bladder, and they had to remove his bladder, and a very tough operation. And now this Corona thing is going on, so tough times, but yeah, what do we do about it? Everybody has to deal with it. So I'm going up the marina building to see if I can take a nice shot from there. So we're here now on the little building of the marina. It's one floor up, as you can see, and I'm gonna try to take some nice pictures of the